Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sell your TRUECOIN NFTs. If you have been mining this TRUECOIN, you will know that there is an NFT attached to it, and you have to sell it and get your USDT in your exchange wallet or any exchange of your choice. Now for you to do this, click over to this your balance token here, this arrow here, click on it. The first thing, if you have not connected your wallet, you will see connect wallet. Mine is connected. Click on it. Now click on go to this wallet. And if you have not created your wallet on TRUECOIN, try and do it. Use your email address and create a TRUECOIN wallet, because it's from that TRUECOIN wallet you'll be able to get your NFTs. You'll be able to sell your NFT and withdraw it to your exchange. Now click on this NFT at the top here. Click on the NFT. In this place, you're going to see the number of NFTs you have owned and the albums you have. This is when you look at this own NFTs. I have 9 NFTs, and in my albums I have 12. Now click on this and own NFTs. Here are the NFTs I have. I want to list their price so that I can sell and have my USDT. Now let's start for this first one. Anyone you want to sell, click on it, just tap on it. So anyone you want to sell, tap on it. It will open this way. You see transfer. You can, if you want to transfer to a friend, you collect the person's email address that he used to create a True Wallet account. Then you put the email address on this transfer and send to the person. But if you want to sell, click on this sell. Here, the currency we are selling it is in USDT. You can as well put your any currency of your choice, but I'm going to use USDT, Theta USDT. Now the price is 1. The floor price is 0.17 USDT. And here service fee is 2.5. Then I will receive 0.975 USDT. I'm not going to be greedy here. I will just put it in the floor price so that I can sell it fast. Now let me type the price I will sell it. 0.17, which is the floor price. I will now click on list item. Item listed successfully. This one I have listed it. Now I'll go back to another one. I'll go back to another NFT. I'll click on this NFT. It's loading. Just be patient. It's loading. And once it opens like this, click on sell. Click on sell. The floor price for this one is 0.1. I'm just going to put it in this floor price. I want to sell it as fast as possible, 0.1, so that any buyer that is willing to buy at the same floor price, the person can buy. Then I'm expecting 0.0975 USD because the service fee is 2.5%. I will list. Item listed successfully. So this is how to sell off your NFTs on TRUECOIN. Then if you have already sold your NFT and don't know how to withdraw it, beside this NFT you see this one. Click on it. Here you will see your account. You see this one I sold now. Miracle. This one I sold now. it has been sold though. This one I just said now, this NFT, I don't want to be greedy with this. I want to do it fast so that I will sell off, and I've already got some 0.165 USD. This one, I just sold this thing now. Please use the link on the description box and start this airdrop. Thank you.